We'll continue with the next question, 22nd. Which one of the following character favors the process of normal spermatogenesis in human male? When the testes descend into scrotum, it gets a protective surrounding and a favorable temperature control system for the normal development of sperms. This event gives rise to the occurrence of normal spermatogenesis in human male. So option A, descent of testes into scrotum is the correct answer. 23rd. Accessory ducts of reproductive system of human female include. In the human female reproductive system, it is composed of three reproductive tracts. They are oviduct, uterus and vagina. Option A, oviduct, uterus and vagina is the correct answer. 24. In human females, the number of primary follicles left in each ovary at puberty is. So the number of primary follicles that are left in each ovary at puberty is 60,000 to 80,000. Option C, 60 to 80,000 is the correct answer. 25th. Implantation is influenced by. The implantation is triggered by progesterone. If progesterone is not present, the egg will neither not be able to implant or it may remain implanted due to the presence of any unhealthy lining. So option E, progesterone is the correct answer. 26th. In India, the action plans for family planning were initiated in the year. So the action plans for the family planning was first initiated in 1951. So option C, 1951 is the correct answer. 27. The inner cell mass of blastocyte because the inner cell mass of blastocyte becomes. The blastocyte forms during early development. Its inner cell mass gets differentiated into embryo proper and the outer layer is known as trophoblast. So option B, differentiated into embryo proper is the correct answer. 28th. Example for autosomal hyperaneuploidy is. Aneuploidy means a condition in which the individual possesses either an extra pair of chromosome or it tend to lack one pair. Autosomes are the rest of 22 pairs of chromosomes other than one pair of sex chromosome. Down syndrome is a type of autosomal hyperaneuploidy because it contains a trisomy of chromosome 21. So option A, Down syndrome is the correct answer. 29. In dihybrid cross, when F1 plants, that is capital R, capital Y, small y, are self-hybridized, the ratio of segregation of yellow and green in F2 is. So the event of self-fertilization of F1 plants give rise to 12 yellow and 4 green seeds. Therefore, the ratio of the segregation becomes 3:1. Option B, 3:1 is the correct answer. 30th. Replacement of which one of the following nucleotides in the HbA gene causes sickle cell anemia? The mutation that causes a sickle cell anemia is a type of substitution mutation involving the change of nucleotide A to T. This results in changing the amino acids coded from GAG, that is glutamic acid, to GTG, that is valine. So option A to T is the correct answer.